In this video, I'm going to share with you three reasons why people don't buy from you. Okay, so, and if you fix these three, then you're going to start making more sales. So I've made over 100K online selling different digital products. And if somebody didn't buy from me, it was always one of because of these three reasons, or maybe multiple of them. So the first one is they just don't want what you are selling. Okay, so you are selling what you think they need, or you are selling what you're passionate about, right? You don't ask the market what they want. You think they need this, but they want that. So give market what the market want. That's the rule. Okay. So the easiest way to fix this is to find the demand, right? So where we have demand, we have health, wealth, relationship. Those are three big markets, right? People want to be healthy, wealthy, have good relationships. There's always demand. That's what people want. So don't just look what you think they need and what you're passionate about. Ask the market what the market want. Okay. So that's the rule. So that's number one. Number two is they don't believe you can help them. So that either means that they don't know who you are, right? So they don't know who you are as a person. They cannot connect with you on the personal level, and they don't know what is your expertise as well. Or they don't believe in your solution, right? Maybe they know who you are as a person and they believe in your expertise, but they just quite are not sold on your solution. And you can fix that very simple by showing the results that you got or the results of your customer students, right? Testimonials. Or if you're complete new, then what you can do, you can go with low to no risk offering. So what it means, that means taking all of the risk for them, right? So for example, what you can say is you're going to pay once this is finished, once you reach certain goal, right? So this way you take all the risk. Or you can say, if you don't reach this goal in this time, I'm going to give you money back, right? So you have to take the risk, right? So these are the three ways how you can fix that, but also make sure that you create a content that builds personal connection, shows your expertise, and also that tells them what is your solution, right? So break down your solution into simple steps, and this way they will know what is your solution, but you can always back up with results, testimonials, or if you're completely new, with a low to no risk offer. So this is the reason number two. And the reason number three, they don't believe in their own ability, right? That means they had a bad experience in the past. They cannot keep up with consistency. They didn't have a time. They didn't find the time for that. Didn't put that on the priority list. They didn't have the skill. They doubt in their skill. They doubt in their knowledge, right? So, and this is the big one, especially if you sell something for the beginners, they will not believe they can make it happen, right? They will not believe in their own ability. And how you can fix that? You can include accountability in your product coaching, right? So if you have some coaching or you have a product, you can say, I'm going to give you, I don't know, coaching calls, a one-on-one chat support, or something like this, right? So to keep them accountable. Or the easiest way is if you have your own product, then you can have done for you offer. That means I'm going to create this for you. So this way you will not have to do anything, right? Or you just have to give me some input information, but I will create this for you. This way, they won't have to put their skills and effort to create this, and they will not doubt their ability. So this is how you fix this thing. And if someone doesn't buy from you, it's usually one of these three things, right? Or it's a combination of one of these three things. So now if you want to sell something to get sales, make sure you go to the market where there's demand, then create a content that builds trust on the personal level and on the authority level, and also back up that with results, testimonials, and break down your solution, how it works, and also give them some accountability that you're going to guide them along the way or have done for you offer. So this way, you're going to nail these three things and you're going to start making more sales. Now, if you want to build a list of buyers and get a quality leads, and sell your product by sending one email a day, then you can just click the link below and you can join my free community where I have the mini course to show you how to build a list of buyers and how to write daily emails using ChatGPT in just 10 minutes to sell your product. See you on the other side.